go together on another keto trip. This is going to be a very long flight, so as usual we have two options. The first one is fasting. It's the easiest one, but if you want to eat, my suggestion is to put a little bottle of olive oil in your hand luggage, so you can season and enjoy a low-carb, high-fat salad. But also bringing some cheese with you is perfect and still very easy. Happy to see that the house we rented online does exist in real life too, and it looks better than we thought. Let's go inside for a quick home tour of this beautiful Californian beach house. When you are on keto, it's more practical to have a kitchen and to cook your own food, but it is also fun and will allow you to discover new ingredients and to experiment everyday life. You won't feel like a tourist anymore, but you will be a part of a new and amazing country. This perfect kitchen is not so perfect because it is empty. So first things first, we must go grocery shopping. This is the closest supermarket to our temporary home, and we've been able to walk there, but I'm sure in the States there are many other options. Let's start with some ketogenic veggies. Here's the top 10 vegetables that you can eat on a low-carb diet: cauliflower, cabbage, avocado, broccoli, zucchini, spinach, asparagus or kale. It is clear that green is better and that you must choose everything that grows above ground, because if they grow underground like carrots, they have too much carbs. Eggs are another keto and delicious ingredient that will be very useful in many recipes, so go organic and buy many of them. Every kind of meat can be a ketogenic dish, so try many different animals and try to enjoy your ketogenic diet, but always be sure to buy good quality meat. This is very important with everything you eat. This is an high-fat diet, so you will need good extra virgin olive oil that will help your health and will make your food delicious. We try to choose local ingredients, so this Californian oil seems really perfect. Also, clams, shrimp, lobster, crabs or any kind of fish can make for a delicious low-carb meal. But don't go home without buying some cheese, heavy cream and a lot of good quality butter. Berries are once in a while keto treat, so eat them in moderation and remember that raspberries and blueberries are the lowest in carb content. Every kind of tea or coffee are allowed on this diet, but as you know, we love espresso. Maybe it's because we are Italian, or maybe it's because it is incredibly delicious together with dark chocolate. Also, nuts can be a keto treat, but be very careful with the quantity you eat because they contain carbs too. Today we'll buy some macadamia, but check the link on the description below for more infos about nuts. Now it's time to leave our grocery home and to enjoy our first Californian sunset. See you on my channel every Monday with a keto video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian.